Good morning, student. Today we will start the exercise number 4.4 from lesson number 4. The first instruction in this case, find the actual and estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest thousand place. In the actual column in A, we see there are two numbers, 5,819, okay, and the 3,295. First, we will estimate the above number. You see that we have to round off the digit 5, but after 5 there is 8 which is greater than 5. So we will take the next digit, next number in the thousand place. That is why it is 6,000. In 3,295, digit 3 is to be rounded up, but the next digit is 2 which is less than 5, so we will remain in 3, that is 3,000. Now our work is simple. We will subtract these two numbers and we have the result 2,524, and in this column, that is estimated column, we have the difference 3,000. So we can see that the actual difference of these two numbers is 2,524 and the estimated difference is 3,000. Okay, student. In B, you see the number is 16,190 and 2,979. We have to round off the digit 6 in this case because 6 is in thousand place. So we will focus on the next digit. It is 1 which is less than 5. So we will remain in 6, that is 16,000. But the lower number is 2,979. 2 is in thousand place, but the next digit is 9 which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 with the thousand place number, that is 2 will be 3, that is 3,000. Now we will subtract these two numbers. In actual column we have the result 13,211 and in estimated column the difference is 13,000. Okay, student, there are two values or two differences. Now in 2, we see the find the actual and estimated difference by rounding up to the nearest 10,000 place. 10,000 place. In actual column in A, we see that two numbers are 39,506 and 22,918. Now we have to round up the digit 3 and this is to be round up the 2. That means we will focus on the next digit. We see that after 3 there is 9 which is greater than 5. So we will take the next digit of 10,000 place and that is 40,000. Okay, in 22,918 the 10,000 place number is 2 and this 2 is to be rounded off. The next digit we see the 2 which is less than 5, so we will remain in 2. That is why the round estimated value is 20,000. Now we will subtract these two numbers. We have the 20,000 in estimated column and in actual column the difference is 16,588. Now come to B number. Here is the number is 73,012 and the second number is 28,790. Okay, student, we have to round up the 10,000 place, that is 7 and 2. After 7 there is 3 which is less than 5, so we will remain in 7, that is the number will be estimated number will be 70,000. But in second number we see that after 2 which is to be round up the 2, this is in 10,000 place, but next digit is 8 which is greater than 5, so we will remain in, we will take the next number, that is next digit 3, that is 30,000. After subtracting these two numbers we have the result or difference 40,000 and in actual column the difference is 44,222. Okay, student. Now, next day, we are going to start the lesson number 5, which is about the multiplication. Before starting the lesson number 5, that is the multiplication, we will learn some important rules regarding the multiplication. You see, the first rule is the product of two numbers does not change when we change the order of the numbers. You see, there are two numbers, 25 multiplied by 13. If you change the order of the numbers, that is 13 has become in the first position and 25 has gone to the second position, the product will be the same. In the second case, you see 42 multiplied by 22. If you take 22 in the first position and if you put 42 in the second position, the result will be the same. That is, the product on both sides will be the same. In second rule, you see the product of the three numbers. Product of three numbers does not change when we change the grouping of the numbers. What is grouping? Example, 20 multiplied by within bracket 8 into 4. This is a group. If you change the group as 20 multiplied by 8 within the bracket and you put 4 outside the bracket, the result will be the same. Again, if you include 4 within the bracket with 20 and if you put 8 outside the bracket, the result will be the same. That means 20 multiplied by 8 into 4 within the bracket will be equal to 20 into 8 within the bracket and outside 4 multiplied, and again 20 multiplied by 4 within the bracket and in the outside multiplied by 8. All these products will be the same result. That means if you change the order of the different numbers or grouping of the different digit, there will be no change in product. Now we will start the 3 number rule. The product of a number by 1 is the number itself. That means if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the product the number itself. Here is the example, 143 multiplied by 1 equal to 143. This number is the product. Again, if you take another example, 25 multiplied by 1, the result will be, the product will be 25. That means number itself. In 4, you see the product of a number by 0 is always 0. That means if you multiply 0 with any number, your product will be 0. Okay, student. Here is the another important point to learn. In a multiplication, the number to be multiplied, जिस number को आप multiply करोगे, is called multiplicand. Okay, student. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. मतलब जिस number द्वारा आप multiply करोगे, that is called multiplier. Result of multiplication and the result of multiplication is called product. Okay, that means after multiplication you will get a result, that is called product. Okay, student. Now your homework will be write down all in classwork copy. Thank you, student.